Here are some additional facts about butterflies. There are over 20,000 species of butterflies in the world, and they come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Butterflies have a unique way of flying, which involves flapping their wings in a figure-8 pattern. This allows them to stay aloft for long periods of time without expending too much energy. Butterflies have a keen sense of smell and use it to locate food, mates, and suitable places to lay their eggs. They can detect scents from miles away. Some species of butterflies are migratory and travel long distances each year in search of food and breeding grounds. For example, the monarch butterfly migrates from North America to Mexico each year, covering a distance of up to 3,000 miles. Butterflies are an important part of the food chain, serving as a food source for birds, bats, and other predators. The lifespan of a butterfly varies depending on the species, but most adults only live for a few weeks to a few months. Butterflies are often used as symbols of transformation, renewal, and beauty in art, literature, and culture. Butterflies are insects that belong to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. They are known for their brightly colored wings, which are covered in scales that give them a powdery or velvety appearance. The wings of butterflies are membranous, with intricate patterns of veins that provide support and help to distribute oxygen to the wings. Butterflies have a characteristic 4-stage life cycle consisting of egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult. The larval stage is the most active stage in the life cycle, during which the caterpillar feeds voraciously on plant material to build up its energy reserves for metamorphosis. The pupal stage is a period of transformation, during which the caterpillar undergoes a radical restructuring of its body to form the adult butterfly. Adult butterflies have 2 pairs of wings, 6 legs, and a long, slender proboscis for feeding on nectar. They are important pollinators, and their bright colors and patterns are thought to serve as a warning to predators that they are toxic or unpalatable. Butterflies are found all over the world, with the greatest diversity in tropical regions. Some of the most well-known species include the monarch butterfly, the swallowtail butterfly, and the painted lady butterfly.